how to turn on Save Video on TikTok. To get started, you first need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage of TikTok, where you can post or share contents from TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in the profile page, you need to tap on the three bars at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. Then go to Privacy. Once you are here, tap on the Downloads option. Then, enable this Video Downloads option. Once you have enabled this option, others can download your videos and share the downloaded video to other platforms. Even if this setting is disabled, a link to your video can still be shared. Here you go. You can now allow others to save your video on TikTok. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn on Save Video on TikTok.